Hello guys, it has been a while since we have this correction in beginning of February, and the whole month from February to now, the beginning of September, I have been following this trading into a range and this correction, and I'm telling you right now that two of the major indexes are above the resistance line. It means if they continue, it means that the big trend for them has already begun. Now I will show you right now which is the best, and then the medium, and then the lowest according to the ETF. Since the index, you can't buy the index, so it's always a good idea to check ETFs. Now, there are major ETFs, there are sector ETFs, and there are industry ETFs. And each one is different. But the main thing that you can do in order to follow all the market is first to see the major indexes. Then when you see the major indexes, you see what is the best. And then you go to the sectors and industries of this best index, and you try to see what are the industries or sectors that are good. You can even buy if things continue to go up, like in a few months, you will begin to see the trend. And in the future, if things continue like this, if there is no major thing, political thing, or national or international crisis or something, if the market goes as it is now, it is a good news. So let's go and check the ETFs. Okay, so as you can see here, now there are three major indexes in United States of America that are the biggest. We have the SPY, which is 500, S&P 500, Standard & Poor 500, which is 500 medium mid-cap companies. We have the 2000, Russell 2000, which is the small companies, and we have the Dow Jones, which is the 30 biggest blue chips companies. Now look at the DIA, which is the Dow Jones ETF. You see this resistance line, it is still below. But why I told you before, and many times in these two months, since, for example, since end of June, okay, July and August, it means those 2 months from here, you can see that Dow Jones is so strong. See, it is so strong. It doesn't go down like before. See, before when it goes down, it goes down, it goes down. It means here it is still troubled. Dow Jones is still troubled. It means a lot of people, they don't know what to do. Sometimes they go up, sometimes we have short sellers going down, so there is a trouble. But right now, the trend is so strong, and it doesn't, even if it does go here a little bit, few days, but it goes up strong, it goes up strong, goes up strong. Although these 2 days, the beginning is not good, but for me, it's not a prediction. It is a speculation. Speculation, it means when you know something and this thing can affect the market. Now this, for me, it is not what we call fundamental. I don't know fundamental thing. It is just something that I know because of my experience in the price action of stocks and indexes. So you see that the Dow Jones is the worst of the strongest. So it is still under the resistance line. It means the high of this here on the 26th of January 2018. So this is the highest. Now if it reaches this highest and goes up, it means that this trend that you can see long time ago, this trend can continue and crosses and goes, and you will see a new trend. Now let's see better than the Dow Jones. This is what we call the Dow Jones. Let's see the one that it is better than Dow Jones is S&P 500. Now, S&P 500, as you see, it was so strong beginning from here. Let's see. I will just show you where it began. It begins from here. As you can see, the SPY go up. There is a correction. It stops. There is a trend, correction, it stops. And whenever it stops here, it stops here, it stops here, it is still going up and making new highs for this. So let's say for SPY, or for let's say if we can take this, we can take this. Let's say we begin from here. Let's say from April 4th, and SPY is so strong. You see, the trend has begun and it crosses. This is the most important thing. It crosses the resistance line. It means there are, in these 500 stocks, there are a lot of stocks that are so strong that they go and they begin the trend. So the trend has already begun and it will maybe continue in the future. So this is S&P 500. Now let's go to the best, which is Russell 2000 stocks. So Russell, which is 2000 small companies, this is where the correction is. Let's say here. It goes down, goes up, it goes down, but it begins so strong from this date. Let's say we take this date, which is the 4th of April. It's the same. 4th of April is the same as a SPY, as 500. It's the same. Okay? It becomes so strong. Now it crosses the resistance line a long time ago. It crosses here. It crosses in May. So Russell 2000 is more strong, is the strongest indexes. What does it mean for you? It means that 2000 stocks are doing better than 500 stocks for S&P 500 and better than the biggest companies in America, which is Dow Jones. Okay? So, why always I am showing you this? A lot of people who are following me, especially my students, they know exactly what I am saying. They know exactly where they buy, and they are following me for a long time ago. Now, for YouTubers and all my subscribers who are following me, I'm trying to give you the raw material. It means where to find stocks, where to find ETFs, and how to get them. It is so easy. Whenever you get something and it is working, you buy something, ETF or stock. It's going up. That's it. You don't need anything to do than this. This is the backbone of swing trading. When there is a trend, you don't worry at all. If it goes 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 8 months, 1 year, the more it goes up, the more you are making money. And this is why we are here. Okay? So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please comment here or share my videos, please, and subscribe if you don't. Thank you very much and see you tomorrow.